Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the movie and subtitle file. Start by confirming they are the correct pair. Open the video in VLC and load the subtitle to see initial offset. Check runtime and frame rate because a mismatch causes drift. Note 24 versus 23, 976 or 25 FPS. If you prefer visual editing, launch Sub now. Once done, play the first 30 seconds and mark the earliest subtitle that appears. This gives you the anchor point to correct global sync. You will now correct timing using precise tools. In Sub, use the audio waveform to find a clear dialogue peak and align the subtitle start. This explains why visual alignment prevents slips. If all lines are uniformly early or late, apply a global shift in milliseconds or frames, enter +1. 200 or -300 ms as needed. If subtitles drift progressively, perform a timing stretch. Adjust end-to-end using FPS conversion or %. You're close. Save your edited subtitle as a new file name to avoid overwriting the original, then load it in the player you'll use for viewing. Play critical scenes and check both early dialogue and long-run drift. Make sure forced or burned-in subtitles won't conflict. If something still feels off, re-anchor by matching the first audible line and a later line near the end, then apply a recalculated stretch and export again. Tip: if syncing fails, recheck FPS and use Sub's timing assistant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.